told y'all, man, we the best, man. So I'm gonna get this channel popping too. So get ready, y'all. Get ready, coming soon, man. I'm gonna have this live back popping like the other live. Yeah. So y'all get ready. Pop that on you, boy. Then oh, bro, what the hell I'm doing? I'm gonna try and do that shit. Okay, how can I do it? I'm trying to push this. I'm trying to click on the column. Shit. I don't know how to do no click on this shit. Oh, hold on. Hey, Pop that represent y'all channel, y'all. It's going down. Represent. It's going down, y'all. I'm trying to get it. Hold on. Pop out, y'all. She was just telling me to make sure you stay up. All right. Yeah, she. Okay. Peace out. Yeah, yeah. Pop out, row. Boy, I say y'all, the channel doing number again, like I was saying. Say y'all, woo, woo, woo. Say, man, what's up with it? Pop out right there, man. Channel steady going up, y'all. You hear me, y'all? I'm trying to get my other channels popping, y'all. My other channel just still just going up. I ain't posted in like 2 days on that sucker, y'all. But I'm making 18K in videos, so I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? But say, y'all. Check out my channel, y'all. No cap, man. It's doing stupid numbers, y'all. Look, it's about to go up when I swipe it again, y'all. I just swiped it.